How to put YouTube Shorts as WhatsApp status. So first things first is of course open up your YouTube application. Then from here just simply choose and locate your favorite short where you'll be adding it as a status on your WhatsApp. So at the meantime, let's just choose any random shorts right here. And what you want to do is just to simply tap on share. Now under share, you should be able to see a lot of options, but just choose on WhatsApp. And then in here, just simply tap on my status. And then at the lower right portion of your screen, just simply tap on the arrow pointing to your right to send. So as you can see, that specific short has already been added to our status. All we have to do here is we can actually um, edit the whole thing by maybe adding text, adding some colors in it. And once you are happy with the result, just simply tap on the arrow pointing to your right once again to send for you to be able to add this short as your status. So that is how you put YouTube Shorts as WhatsApp status.